I'm going to take a look at how to replace battery on this Volvo key fob. What you need to do is use a flathead screwdriver to move this locking tab right here. That will allow you to remove the key like so. Put that to the side, and you can see here this back cover comes off, and what you'll do is you put the screwdriver right there. There's a little gap on the side. Put the screwdriver there and push up like so. So you can see that popped out right there. Now you take that and carefully separate these two, and you can see the battery right there. Now before you remove the battery, you gotta be careful. You can see here that the back of the battery, the positive side of it, is on the back. You flip it, and that's the positive. And when you install a new battery, you want to make sure that this positive is facing down. You keep the paper there, and you be careful because you have these little contacts here, and you don't want to bend these because they touch the circuit board right there. So take that, line it up like so, and then close it. And then all you do is just insert the metal blade there, and that's it, you're done.